Oga!
Man! God have mercy. This man!
There is God! Okay.
It is smoky, boo. God have mercy.
What are you doing? Huh? Okay. Close your mouth. So they look big watermelon. This your eye. Eye, pastor. I'm taking your car. Then give your life to try. If you don't close your mouth, I'll slap you now. They look big Nyansh. Big Nyansh. Now God will punish you. If you stop to that, I will slap you. See your black face.
You need to give your life to Jesus. I'm sure this one was a funny one. So if you like this video, why not leave us a follow on Facebook, on TikTok. If you're watching on Instagram, leave us a follow. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Turn on notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you when I upload videos like this. And why not share this video with your friends? Make others laugh too. If you're not watching this pastor series, I don't know what else you're watching. Maybe you're watching your weight.